Hey guys, so today I'm just going to show you how to apply your press-on nails. I'm going to show you two ways how to apply your nails in this video. First, I'm going to show you how to use the sticky tabs to apply the nail, and then I'm also going to show you how to just use nail glue to apply your nails. So first, I'm just going to take my nail file and gently file the surface of my nail to remove any shine. What this is going to do, it's going to help the press-on nail adhere better to your natural nails without popping off so easily. So if anybody wore press-ons before and had issues with them popping off after like a day, it's probably because you didn't buff your nails or prep your nails correctly. So with this, it just makes sure that you have a longer lasting application. So after you're done gently filing your nails, you're going to want to take an alcohol wipe or a paper towel with alcohol on it just to wipe off the dust from the nail file before you apply your nails. Me, I'm not going to do that. In the next clip, you're just going to see me wiping away the dust with my hands, and that's pretty much what I'm going to do for this video. But normally for the perfect prep and application, you should use alcohol because that will help further remove the any oils that are left on your nails. So after that, I'm just gonna take the sticky tabs. They come with 10. There are two of each size pretty much. Depending on the size of your nails, they may not fit exactly, but you can always take a pair of scissors and just cut around the edge. And with the sticky tabs, there's a little piece at the top that you want to make sure is above the press on. You want to make sure that that part is above because that's what's going to help you rip the double-sided paper off. So once you do that, you're just going to apply it to the nail. Here you see me just making sure that the sizing is right, and I'm going to do that to all the nails, and then I'm going to get started. You want to make sure that the top of the sticky tab is actually at the very top of the nail by the cuticle, because if not, then you're going to see the gap between the top of the nail and where the press on starts, and you don't want that. So you want to make sure that the sticky tab is as far up on the press on nail as possible. So when applying the nail, I like to make sure that it is as close to the cuticle as possible. Now with the sticky tabs, they do give a little bit of a height, so it's not as flat as it could be, as it would be with the glue, but this is just a good solution for those who, want a quick wear and don't want to have to um, have the nails on for a long time. This is the option for you. Me personally, this is not what I prefer. I feel like the glue gives a more natural look because it lets the press on nail, lay flatter on the natural nail. So that's pretty much it for the sticky tabs. You're just going to go ahead and do that on both hands. Me, I'm only going to do one because I'm going to show you the glued nails on the other hand. Okay, to start off gluing the press-on nails, it's fairly easy. I'm just going to put a small dot of glue in the center of the nail. You don't want to put too much glue. I'm going to put the nail, start in the middle, and then glide it up to the cuticle and press and hold for a couple seconds. And I'm just going to do that on each nail. It's a fairly quick process just because I'm used to it. But yeah. You can either put the glue on the press on or your natural nail, but if you're starting out, I would suggest putting the glue on your natural nail so that you have more control of the glue. When applying the glue, you don't want to apply too much so that it floods your nail and it goes outside of the press on, but then you also don't want to put too little that it doesn't cover the entire base of the nail. You want to make sure that the glue is spread thin across the entire base of the nail so that there's no chance of the nail popping off. Because if there's any wear on your natural nail that the glue is not sitting, then it'll pop off easy. Here, I'm not putting the glue on the entire nail because I'm gonna take these nails off right after this video. But for the sake of longevity, you wanna put a thin layer, you wanna spread the thin layer of glue across the entire natural nail. Emphasis on thin. If the glue is too thick, it will flood outside of the press on. So that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, or DM me on Instagram at Wayscale Styles, and I'll be sure to answer any questions that you have. And stay tuned for the next video. If you have any video suggestions, nail suggestions, feel free to leave those in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!